Wat het 'n Afrikaanse swartskulp en Buzz Lightyear in gemeen? Wel, hul skeppers is almal eens vir studente Oscar benoem. Twee studente van AFDA, Eileen van Asweging en Nadia Rabiem se kortprent is benoem in die kategorie vir beste buitelandse animasieprent.
The inspiration for like the setting of the story came from like, because my family have like farms in the Eastern Cape, so I was like really inspired by that. And then I pitched my idea to Nadia, and she was like very keen.
Yeah, I was keen with the paper stuff because I really wanted to do stop motion
like,
and everything. And then Eileen pitched her idea and concept about a black sheep in the family and everything. And we were like, that's really cool. Like everybody can relate to that. You know? So that was a really, really cool idea. And then we just went from there, hey?
Yeah. And I mean, it's kind of it's not something you see a lot in South Africa, this kind of animation medium. So like we wanted to do something different that people would like notice.
It was just like also like when you go out to the big world, you don't really get a chance to work like this. So we were like, I think this is the last film we were making at school. So we're just like, let's do something different. Let's do something cool. Let's do something like exciting.
In this case, we were taking like 12 images per second, and basically each movement that the character does, it's like each little tiny movement, you have to move it, take a picture, move it, take a picture, move it, take a picture. Yeah, so it's quite a long process.
I think this was probably the most difficult, like getting everything ready so it went smoothly, and like I think making everything was the hardest part.
On like big productions, you'll have a whole team of people. Like, it was just us two, so it was like
we had to work on everything: characters, environment, setup. We had to do everything. When like in production, we have one person allocated to one thing.
Yeah.
So we had to do everything, and then in like 2 weeks time as well.
Like this little film of ours, like I couldn't even imagine like a student Oscar.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like it's just like we never, like I was saying, like we never thought this would ever happen.